Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. I'm here with Brandon from Craftsman. Now, I know all about the Craftsman tools. I love it. I go back to when I was a carpenter starting out. I always used a Craftsman hammer, which was awesome. And but now you've got these solutions, in particular the Versatrack system. And it's this tracking system that has all these different options. But I think for a lot of people, getting started can be kind of, like, I don't know where to start. What are some tips you could get people if they're thinking about using the Versatrack system?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think the biggest things to start with is kind of take an inventory of what are you looking to store?
Right.
What types of products, supplies, and then what space do you have available? What space are you trying to fill? And I think based on those two things, you'll kind of have a better idea of what types of solutions in Versatrack do you need, what types of hooks get catered towards outdoor power equipment or hand tools or power tools, because we have a full variety that really will allow you to store all those things efficiently.
And I know that you offer some bundles, right, with like a 20-piece kit to get you started, but it might be that if you're going to do this, that may or may not be enough, but you can buy the individual accessories to add on to it, correct?
Exactly. That's a great thing about Versatrack is it's fully modular. So you can kind of build as you grow, as you obtain more tools and supplies.
Right.
You can continue to build onto your system, both with track and the hooks and accessories.
Right, right. And the one thing I know that Brandon and I agree on from Craftsman and Ace, you can never have too many tools. If you'd like more information, just go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store. All right, well, check it out. Our video coming up next is more on the Versatrack system.